Second to the last day here in... Hindi, full day. Second to the last full day here in Tokyo. Kasi meron pa tayong 2 araw. Yes. And today, unfortunately, we were supposed to go to Mount Fuji. But we decided to just stay here in Tokyo. Yan. We are planning to visit the theme park. So which theme park ito sa Tokyo? We'll find out. Yeah, let's go! Let's go! So medyo an hour away from Tokyo ito. And yeah, medyo suburb yung itsura ng place.
We're gonna do a weather report.
Yes.
While I have a job interview.
300 yen. Merong 2 way para makarating dun sa Yomiuri Land. There's a bus station here. Mas mura, but there's also a gondola ride dyan, which is around 300 yen. It's a 20-minute, pwede mo rin lakarin. 20 minutes walk siya. Pero dito tayo sa gondola para meron tayong view. Space Factory. Gusto mo ito? Looping Starship. Ayan o. First ride, guys. We're gonna do the Starship Loop. Let's go. Ah, grab my hands. Grabe guys, sobrang intense. Ang lamig-lamig. Tapos yung gumano na yung nanginginig sobra yung pa ako kanina. Kasi gumagano ako sobrang intense.
Hawa ko sa bakal. Secured ba to?
Tapos yung kamay ko sobrang lamig na niya. So, ito guys yung first ride na sinakyan namin. This is called the Looping Starship. It's actually parang kung nakapag-Enchanted Kingdom ka na, tapos sinakyan mo yung Anchors Away. So parang ganun siya. But the difference here is meron siyang 360 turn and meron siyang hanging at the top. Horror house. Lunch here, guys. This is 1,400. It's our last money. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon here in and nakakaisang ride pa lang tayo, but we'll finish everything after. Try this Ferris wheel dahil ito yung walang pila and fastest. And tingnan natin kung makikita natin yung Mount Fuji at the top. Kasi along the way nakita natin sa train eh. So ngayon tingnan natin kung makikita natin sa taas. Let's go! Arigato! So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng kanilang Sky Go Land or ang kanilang Ferris wheel here. And may heater sa loob. So medyo mainit.
Yeah.
Kaya doon ka sa taas, hindi ka masyado lalo. Okay, now we are heading sa Ghibli store. gonna try this again. This is called the Bandit. It's actually one of the former fastest roller coaster in the whole world. Nung ginawa siya. So, this is her second try. Sobrang nice niya. And ang haba. Wala naman siyang yung ikot-ikot na gano'n, pero sobrang haba. So, we're gonna try it again. And mabilis kasi yung pila. Wala masyadong nakapila. So, we can do it over and over again. Just the experience.
Try it without hands.
Yes!
Without holding.
Oo. Sobrang haba niya. Siguro mga ilang minuto rin yun, no? Yung akala mo tapos na, pero ang haba pa pala niya. So, pagka marami pa tayong time, we're gonna try it again.
Yes.
Let's go! Next!
Horror house.
Horror house. Next natin guys, we're doing the horror house. 60 minutes, pero hopefully hindi totoo yan. Ang bilis lang. We got our ticket. Ay, oh, diba? Special lane, special lane. So guys, ito ang Starbucks na maganda.
Sobrang mga tight. Go, bro. Igos. Paya. Okay, perfect pitch. You're having fun, you know, as a kasambahay and caretaker of Starbucks. Ang hirap pala mag-shoot.
Pasok na tayo sa Starbucks. Light show guys. Let's watch. So, tapos na tayo dito sa Hanabiori. Hanabiori. We're going now. Bye! Lalakad kami guys. Going kami sa bus sa station. Sa train station. Yan, buti na lang pababa yung hagdanan. Mas madali, pero sobrang lamig. Ayun siya guys. Ayun na yung nilalakad namin. So, malapit na kami. Konti na lang. Free bus. Free bus. Ayun si Manong. Yan ang